Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my new tutorial of our FactoryTalk view. I'm me. So in this video we are going to discuss about the security. So how we create a security in our FactoryTalk view. I'm me. So let's see. First of all, you are going to create a user. First of all, I have a screen called a security, which is very important because without a screen we don't have a login or password for our screen. So we need another screen. I am going to select a username admin and its name is also admin. Now I am going to select username as a password and as a password as a password. Now I think my new user has been created. Now I am going to project second and I am going to add another user. So you will see I am going to show users only and admin. Okay, so I have admin user and you will see my admin has all access security codes, but default has no security code levels A. So we are using these codes to access for non-access of our users. So I'm going to close it and save it. So you will see our security setting has been set up. Now I need security. So first of all, you need to understand if I am going to trending object. So main trending object. I am going to make a display setting and I am going to give it as security level A for trending because I need that trend only seen by our admin. So I am going to give a trend as a security. And now I am going to give another set point to our security. So first of all, I am going to select a visibility. I am going to delete that for you. I am going to expressions. I am going to check functions. I am going to security. So you will see you have a current security. I am going to the current user, which only those have access who have security code level A, and that's okay. Now I'm going to apply that and close it. Now I open my security screen and I'm going to select that and going to user management and select my login button there, and I'm going to name as a login, apply that and okay. I'm going to select another user and I'm going to name as a logout. Now I'm going to name it a logout, and I need another one which we use for our security user. So first of all, you going to numeric and string display. I'm just using a string display there, and I'm going to make it a connection, and I'm going to level. You will see I'm going to system and select my user. I'm going to apply it and okay. Now I think my whole project has been created successfully. So I'm just going to main and run my screen. So we will see it is working or not. Now you will see because we have don't security code level A, so that's why we don't have access of set points. Now I'm going to select a trend. You will see we don't have access to move trend scheme. So let's see, I'm going to make a security screen and you will see we have our default username as login. Now I'm going to login with a different username which name as admin, and my password is my password. I am going to login it. So you will see our admin has now login. I am going to main and I easily change that to 2.020. I think I have a maximum level limit. I'm going to change it to 5. Going to cancel to 5. So you will see it will come to 5 now, and we will easily access to trend. So you will see that when we are working on a trend. So that's it, that's our security setting work in our FactoryTalk view ME. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and comments if you don't understand anything. And in the descriptions I have given links of my Indosoft SCADA as Indonesian SCADA as well. So if you want to learn SCADA, so watch my tutorials. So thank you very much again for watching my video.